Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we will see how to create different 3D geometries, or I can say 3D objects in LabVIEW 3D pictures. So first let's just place 3D picture on our front panel like this, and then just jump on to our plot diagram. And here there are basically the two methods, and I will explain both how we can create 3D pictures. First I will go with invoke nodes to create our 3D picture. So I will go to graphics and sounds palette, and then again 3D pictures, and pin it out here because we need different objects or different functions from here. So first I will go to geometry and get the box from here, and then I will go to object and go to create object mode. So then what I can do is I will just connect it in here so that it will invoke nodes will find out that it is connected to create object mode. Then the next thing is we will set it to set variables, and then we set that to our variable, and next we can give the reference out to our 3D picture. So if I run my program right now, as you can see, a 3D box of red color is appeared in my 3D picture. I can set its length like control. If I just create a constant right now, it's x, y and z axis. Like if I just press 2, then it will give me the axis. Like right now, if I just clean up here, then it means that this is my x-axis, and this is my y-axis, and this is my z-axis. So these are in this way. Like if I press 3 right now, I cannot see it because it is so this the z-axis has moved now, and it is elongates in the z-axis right now. So now I will tell you how to add two objects in LabVIEW. So I'll just bring back it to its original axis, delete these, and now I will delete this wire, create another object. Like I can just make a copy of it, and then what I need next is I will make a copy of this invoke node as well, change its set variable to object add, and then what I can do is I will give the reference of the first one, and the object will be connected to the reference of the second one. But if we do like this, then we cannot get the two shapes basically, because it is behind this first shape. So we need to set its translation like movement. So to set the translation, let's just go to transformations and translate objects, and here I can just give it a reference and set its translation. Like create a constant. Here it means again it is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. In x-axis, let's just say I want to move it in 2. Now if I run my program, as you can see the second object is created, but it is far away from what I can observe. So now these two are mixed because of no space. But what I can do is I can create a for loop, or I can just give a reference. What I can do else is I can create a property node named as automatic focus, or invoke node I can create automatic focus, and there I can just give out this reference, I think. Then still not working, then it means that I need to do it in another way, like just by putting it inside of my for loop. I will give it a constant of 2 so that it will iterate 2 times just for satisfaction. Then it will automatically adjust itself within the center. So if now I will create a difference of 3, then it will automatically adjust itself and 2 boxes are shown within one 3D picture. So the next method is I will just keep that in here, and we will create another 3D object by using another method. So in this method, this is a very simple method. Like if I just go to this 3D picture panel again, this time I will use to create a cylinder or a sphere. Let's just say sphere. I am using sphere this time, so I will use this create object mode, and in this mode I will use polymorphic VI selector. Connect that in here. Oh, sorry. Change the object mode to object drawable, and then I can connect with my geometry, and here I can create its radius. Right now it is only 1, and now I can just directly connect it with my 3D picture. And now if I run my program, as you can see, 3D object is created but it is not in center. So again, what we can do is we can create again an invoke node named as autofocus. So now if I run my program, this will be in the center. It is automatically adjusted. But this is useful if you just want to create an object, but this is not useful if you are wanted to set its dimensions and have to predict something from its dimensions. Then you must have to set its camera position, that we will see in upcoming videos. So right now that's it for creating 3D objects.